Hi, Carol here. Another warm welcome to my craft room. And today we are going to do, guess what? Mail birthday cards. Yes, can you believe it? I'm just going to show you a little bit of it here. You can still have some little fancy schmancies on there, but this is going to look very masculine when I'm done with it, and it is so nice to be back on camera. I know it's been a while. I went to put my intro video up and I couldn't get it. Remember, I used to go through this all the time. I'd be trying to get it onto the computer and it wouldn't go on the computer and yada yada. But then I had to get batteries for this thing. I'm just going to zoom me out a little bit. And I have my lighting set up. I hope it's not too many shadows. But anyway, I want to say hi to everybody out there. Thank you so much for taking the time to subscribe and to press that like button. And you'll get my videos every time I post one. So I'm super excited because mail cards, masculine cards, they don't come easy to some people. They don't come easy to me. I prefer to do a real, frilly, lacy card. Who wouldn't? But I'm going to tell you, I'm going to use Anna Griffin's pre-made cards, but I'm going to put a twist on it. So it's just not going to look like, I do four-sided cards, but this is going to have a twist for a masculine card, and I think you're really going to like it. So sit back, let's create together. Please leave me a comment. I love hearing from you. And like I always say, let's create. We shall put the camera down and start this beautiful masculine birthday card. Oh yes, it's a happy birthday card. We'll see you down there in the craft space.